the tour is about 45 minutes to an hour. If we didn't have it, we'd have to walk, hold hands, try not to lose each other. About 400 acres. It's complicated. I don't do complicated.
You got the very best guide.
Georgie.
And the greatest driver.
Kevin.
They're the best. I love them. Even though
Georgie
owes me $5.
Yes, fine.
I know you guys are excited to get on the tour, but first, a few safety rules.
Alright, so we've got some safety rules to go over on the property. And we have a couple of things that are specific to studios. Like in our front lot, where we are right now, our front lot is where we have all of our sound stages. These are mobile trailers that are being used for everybody that's in the production, especially you've got the vanities, hair and makeup trailers are out here. And then you've got... Alright, I'm coming back to you guys. Like a live television show, especially if you've got a live audience. But shows like The Good Place, which filmed inside of Soundstage 44, for you to look at. It's all behind closed doors, you guys. I get it. You're like, this is a building. Thank you for telling me about it, Georgie. This is another one? Cool. Now, we're getting to the good stuff. We're getting to the stuff that you want to take pictures of, look around the mall, you'll see stuff for Halloween. So that's like one of our gauntlets that you'll go through. A little bit more about it before we go in. They're some of the most recognizable ones, so keep your cameras on. A picture car could be used for stunts, like the Ferrari 308 from Magnum PI, that's the stunt car. It's a fiberglass shell of a Ferrari with a Volkswagen engine. We've got some time period pieces, right? Go back to the Future 2015 models. They're next to the prehistoric Flintstone cars. I've been told those wrong. And then of course we've got some of our biggest franchises side by side. Fast and Furious has a few cars lined up here. Just another reminder to remain seated while we're driving. Yo, car 2. No? Alright, I tried.
To Jurassic Park.
So you start with a nice warm welcome, right? And you enter Jurassic Park, and all around you are picture cars, props from the original Jurassic Park movies. There's one thing missing though. We need more atmosphere, right? We need the score. That's better. You need to think about creating the right mood. So the Lost World, we saw the mobile lab and kind of drove past. The mood is sunny and beautiful. This is Southern California. We have to make our weather. That's what we're going to do here in Old Mexico. We're going to show you guys how we can make it rain. The first word we need is action. Once we yell action, we get light and sound. Create some lightning and thunder for us. When we're ready, we've established that there's a thunderstorm brewing. Now we need rain. So we activate sprinklers. Overhead, just above the camera's view, are going to be sprinklers that shoot water straight up into the air and it falls naturally to the ground. These three elements create the perfect storm. Where the sun is shining, you guys can see the drops more clearly. Day of filming, they're going to front light and back light the rain so that you can actually see it on the screen. And then when it's all done, you've got the perfect take, you yell cut, and it all turns off. You yell cut, and it all turns off. It's not working. Okay, you guys, it looks like it's flooding. That can't be good. I am so sorry about that. There's so much water. What are you gonna do? This is why I'm not a director. This was used in Big Fat Liar with Paul Giamatti, Metabines, and Cranky Muniz, and they only use the flash flood. You can see that they don't have any of the other elements turned on. You can control each one individually, so you don't have to have it on your screen. The episodes 5 and 6, they turn into a golden village. They filmed out there inside of our old Mexico sets. Around the corner, that's where they're primarily using our sets in 6 Points, Texas. We can't go in there, of course. I told you guys we're a busy studio. Things are happening all over the place. Since we can't go in, this is what it looks like on the inside. Our 6 Points, Texas sets are where all of our classic cowboys filmed. People like John Wayne, Jimmy Stewart, Audie Murphy, all of those classic cowboys use those Western sets. There used to be out right now because it's currently a good place.
I've never ever seen this.
I'm not supposed to be here. So if you guys have not watched the show, please watch it. Drop everything you're doing, go home. You don't need to be here anymore. Watch the show. It's so good. Both seasons right now are on Netflix. You can also see it on NBC.com. But you can see here, the yogurt shop still stands here at the corner at the very top. These are the main sets for the show. They also use that yogurt shop for the 2005 Muppets movies. They turn it into a little cafe in Paris. These are the streets of Genovia, the Princess Diaries 2, a royal engagement. You're looking at Tortuga, Port Royal, and 2 different brides and Caribbean films. And this is where I say goodbye to you guys, because we're kept really close to home and family where they film at that picket fence. So I'll see you guys on the other side. There's another shark in the water, isn't it? Right there. Okay, that can't be good. That cannot be good. Everybody stay calm. It's gonna be fun. Okay, uh-oh. You guys, I think that shark found something good in the water. Yeah, that guy's not okay. Oh boy. Oh, this is like instant regret. We're just gonna hide now. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hide right behind these gasoline barrels. That feels super safe. So much fire. Okay, that's a lot of fire. Keeps going. Okay, we gotta get out of here. Look, we're gonna get you guys to safety. As soon as it's clear, we're gonna get you away from the flames. Did you guys see that shark? Just came out of nowhere. So sorry about that. You guys just met Bruce. We love him. We named Bruce after the shark that was used in Jaws. Fortunately, our shark works a lot better than the amount using freshwater. But then they wanted to film on location off the coast of Martha's Vineyard. Put the shark in salt water and he sank first day of filming. And then he kept sinking. And it got pushed back over 100 days. Steven Spielberg thought this was his career-ending movie. Like, this is it, game over, it's been real. But he had to rethink his approach. He did it. Rethought the entire thing. Jaws became more of a... Now these are some of our most... This black fence here. You'll see the houses that were used. Some of the houses that were used. They're all built out of styrofoam and chicken wire. They used two... We did end up moving them. We moved them away from Mount Crumpet and right next door to the Bates Motel. But you guys can see again, Halloween Horror Nights making an impact here. This is where Terror Tram, you get to walk around. So we're just gonna pretend like he's not there, right? We don't know him. He's cool. We're cool. It's fine. Hey Norman, how's it going? Oh, okay, that's a knife. That is a knife. Yeah, he's not okay with this. That was cutting it close. But don't worry, we're safe now. We are absolutely safe here at the plane crash site from War of the Worlds. Clouds have invaded. It's cool. We're fine. But this airplane is a real airplane. It's a Boeing 747. They purchased it and destroyed it all for War of the Worlds.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set.
There for dig and filming, but that's not always the case. We have one of the largest freestanding blue screens or green screens in this area. So we've got a huge... The ability to differentiate between what's real and what isn't is getting harder and harder. And this is Fast and Furious Supercharged and the perfect example of that. We're going to see a couple of different techniques all wrapped up into one. We just entered salvage truck repair, which means we are in the crew's domain. Because of that, I've got to pass it over to the crew. They're going to introduce themselves and tell you a little bit more about what to expect once these doors start to open up.
My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you from Shaw for a while. So we brought you at our secret spot.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash.
Rides, you've got, it's a pretty decent day out there. I don't think it's too crazy busy out there. So if you want to check out Waterworld, the Live Sea War Spectacular, it is our #1 rated show. All of the show times are on the studio directories, or if you download the app, the Universal Studios Hollywood app, it tells you all of the options. You'll find me working my way over in that direction. Bye guys, have a good one.